Well, I would like to thank Church of Christ in Woodmont Hill for all the support we have received for you. And I'm not talking about economical only, but also the spiritual help you have provided to us through the people who has been coming for many years to Nicaragua. We have been working for about 10 to 15 years in the church, and the support you have provided to us have helped us to improve our work. We have many things to do in the future. We have work in the church. We have people in our community that we are reaching out, and we are very sure that with your support we will do a better job. We have this confidence in the Lord, and that with your help and first the Lord help, we will be doing a very good job and saving people and helping people to get a better life and to secure his life in the future in heaven. Thank you.